What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a new video here, and with this video I'm going to be talking about the best business to start in 2018 if you have little to no money. Okay, so it's 2018, it's a new year, and I'm sure many of you want to get started with an online business. You probably searched on the internet everywhere what are the best ways to start an online business, and I'm going to give you, in my opinion, what is the best business to start in 2018, 2019, and for many years to come, okay? Because this is probably the lowest cost business that you can get started with, okay? And that business is affiliate marketing, right? And so with affiliate marketing, you're actually promoting other people's products and services in exchange for a commission, of course. And so there's many businesses out there, pretty much a lot of businesses. They have a referral program where if you can bring them a sign up or a lead, you will get paid a percentage on that purchase or that referral that you brought in. And so here are some of my reasons why it is the best why affiliate marketing is the best business to start. And that is because of the low cost to start this, okay? You literally can get started with affiliate marketing today with like 10 bucks, all right? You start with a domain name. You can get started with a WordPress website and start promoting Amazon affiliate products. Amazon has one of the best affiliate marketing programs out there. You're able to promote every product on there for a small commission from 4 to 10%, and yeah, you can make a good amount. This is how most YouTubers make their money today, with Amazon affiliate links in their descriptions, and yeah, that's a way you can get started right now. But you can also do email marketing and funnel creation, and the only tools that you would need is ClickFunnels or a Builderall, where you can build a sales funnel or a website in like 15 minutes, and you can get started promoting other people's products on your website, okay? Also, you're able to work from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you're able to promote your products that you want to promote. And so that gives you freedom to travel all over the world and to not settle down in one particular location. So that's pretty great that you can do that. Also, you will have total freedom, okay? You won't have a boss telling you what to do. You will have complete control of your time and what you want to do. So those are some of the great perks that come with when you are an affiliate marketer. So like I mentioned, you can get started like today. You can get started with a YouTube channel, and I recommend some of the top niches. The top niches are health, wealth, love, relationships, and spirituality. Think about self-development. All those videos on YouTube, they get thousands and thousands of views every single day. And health, of course, everybody wants to lose weight, get healthy, and wealth, make money online. All right, this is what I'm sharing with you guys right now. And love and relationships. There's people always looking for their next love. They're always looking for dating advice. And so if you can get started with those niches, you will definitely make money promoting a product in these niches. But you can also start an Amazon affiliate website around a specific hobby or interest that you have, like golf, baseball, soccer, and you just promote Amazon products, okay? So if you have a niche soccer website, you can review cleats or soccer balls. And so you provide value by reviewing the product, showing the pros and cons, the reviews on Amazon, and in exchange, if you are able to sell the product, you get a commission. So that is really nice, and all you have to do is just drive traffic to your website and to your links, which can easily be done with YouTube and creating content daily that helps people and provides value, useful information to your visitors. All right, you can also start a Facebook group, right? So you can create a Facebook group around a specific niche, like a hobby. It could be dancing. It could be pretty much anything, as long as there's a product out there, either Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo. You can make money with affiliate marketing. Okay. And like I always say, you always want to provide value. You don't want to just spam your affiliate links. You know, we've seen it before, how some people on Facebook groups or on YouTube channels, they just put their link and they don't provide any useful information, and usually everybody ignores it, and that's where affiliate marketing gets a bad rap. But that's not how you do affiliate marketing. The best way to do it is to build a brand behind what you are promoting. Okay, so if you want to start an affiliate site, you want to keep creating content, keep creating value, and eventually have a logo, have a name for your website, bestsoccerballs.com or something like that. And yeah, just don't spam your affiliate links, as long as you continue to provide value and you be patient. That's very important too. You want to be patient when you're starting affiliate marketing, because it might take a couple months to see results, because you don't have any following and people don't know who you are. And so you need to provide useful information consistently so you can start seeing results. Okay, so that's going to do it for this video. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a link down below that you can check out, but I'm not going to pitch it in this video. Just check it down below if you're interested. But thank you for watching. If you have any comments that you want to add, go ahead and leave it in the comments. But other than that, go ahead and give this a like and subscribe to my channel for more future affiliate marketing videos.